All right, Methodical Man here, coming to you guys on a Saturday morning. Just going to do a quick review of Friday's action. Just kind of go over a few of the trades that I took. Not all of them, but just a few here, just to kind of show you guys what we were seeing on Friday. We had PPI. I think that was PPI. No, I don't know what that was. I think it was PPI. Not sure. But we had this big drop here pre-market, and really didn't take any trades at all pre-market. We did take a little chase trade there, but that wasn't really a setup on this account. And then I took a trade right here as we had swept the buy side at this point. This was after the 10 a.m. news, so we had swept the buy side. If we kind of I don't know if we can do it here on the 1 minute, and I'm not going to switch back and forth, but you can see, like right there, we swept the buy side. Or I'm sorry, the sell side. No, I said buy side. We swept the sell side there, so I took this inversion here. We have a small 1 minute inversion, about 10 handles on that gap. So as soon as we closed above here, I actually took it on momentum. We actually closed above there by 1 tick, so my entry was right here. And then I scaled one contract right here at the internal liquidity. And I got stopped out break even on my runner. So that was a nice little 10-point play there on that inversion. And then over here, I was looking at this very similar play. I used the 30-second. I dropped down into the 30-second chart here. And a very similar play there. Took the one contract off at the internal liquidity and got stopped out on the runner. I used the 30-second chart just to kind of get an entry because I wasn't sure that we were going to get another opportunity there, which we did here. So this was a decent play as well if you guys took it. So a close above would have scaled some here. So it's 8.5 handles. Took one off, and then I ended up taking profit at the start of this body of this candle here. I think that was my best trade of the day there on Friday. So, and then I don't remember taking really much else. I think we took 6 total plays, so that would have been 3 or 4 right there. This one, I do believe we did take this as well. So I did like this one as well. We're delivering from a fair value gap there. You can see we retested that inversion gap. And, so pulled back here, held this gap, retested the inversion, and then inverted the 1 minute. You did have relative equal highs above here. So this would have been the play of the day. I think I took short profit, if I remember correct. I think I took my entire position off at this swing, which, in hindsight might have been a mistake there. And then I don't really remember taking anything else. I did take a short, which I didn't love. I remember that. I don't know where that was, though. Where was the short that we took? Was it here? Yeah, maybe it was here. Maybe it was here, I believe. And I got shook out on this short. I actually stopped myself out for break even because I think the ES was at the VWAP. And this is sometimes one of those things where you watch the other indice and, it doesn't mess you up, I wouldn't say, because at the end of the day, this put me through some drawdown. And then we hit the swing here. So I broke even stop it here once we hit the internal swing we created. And I want to say it pushed back up and stopped me out. Just got me, and then it went. But either way, it was a break-even trade there. You can see it did end up selling off. I mean, this gap ended up holding. But it's just based on the rules that I'm following, it was just break-even. I got shook out there. And I got off the charts at about 1:30, 2 o'clock there. So I don't think I took. Oh yeah, we did take one here. I don't know what this was. This was a small loser. This must have been just some sort of chase. This might have been too. So right after I ended the stream on this account, I don't think I took those on the stream there. But yeah, those are just a few of the trades we went over or that we took on Friday. We did end Friday green. I would like to show you guys the P&Ls, but unfortunately my connections are not working. I don't know if you guys are having this issue too. It is Saturday, so maybe that's why. The only accounts they're connecting are my Topsteps, the Bulenox and the APEX. My funded futures, none of those will connect. So, assuming that maybe it's just because it's Saturday morning. See, like my Buley's nothing. It won't connect. I do believe we ended the week slightly green on our funded accounts. Very, very small green week. We made some mistakes on Wednesday, and I ended Wednesday down 570 on one of the accounts and down 870 on the other. So pretty much wiped out all the profits for the week just in that one day. And the 570 was from one trade on the one Bewley account, and then the 870 was from two trades. I accidentally entered a trade on that account during London. So, but those accounts are still sitting okay. Can't really show them to you because I can't get connected. I think one of them is at like 1,800 in profit, and the other one's at 1,300, something like that. So the idea would be maybe by the end of next week, we can get the threshold in on those, and then we can start looking at maybe taking a payout in the next week and beyond. So that's pretty much it. Next week, the idea is I did get the 5 Topstep X accounts for $4.50. So I'm going to familiarize myself with the platform this weekend. And then next week, we'll start jumping in on those. And we're really going to concentrate on our MyFunded Futures account as well. And just try to get the Bulenox accounts to a payout. So that's kind of the idea there. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Again, just wanted to make a little short video just kind of going over how the Friday went. And we got all the links to all the prop firms down below if you guys are interested in trading futures. It does help the channel. And I will see you next time.